gusto ko lang ipaalala sa inyo, hindi po dapat tayo magpalunod sa anumang stress na ating pinagdadaanan. Anumang boses ang naririnig mo sa iyong kaisipan that is not aligned with the Word of God, meron kang authority para palayasin ang lahat ng ito. Kasi ang isip na yan ay regalo sa iyo ng ating Panginoon. Ang sasabihin ni Satan sa iyo, wala ka ng kinabukasan. You are a mistake. You are a failure. But let me just say this to you mga kapatid, lahat yan ay pawang kasinungalingan. Sapagkat mahal tayo ng Diyos, nagmamalasakit ang Panginoon sa atin. In fact, the presence of that voice in your head na mga negative thoughts is a sign that you are under attack mentally. Yung presensya ng boses na ating naririnig is an indication that the devil is at work. But we thank the Lord, nandun din ang assurance ng presensya ng ating Panginoon that you can be free from every mental torment that you are facing right now. Na yes, sa iyong pananaw wala ng pag-asa, but with Jesus, there is no hopeless situation. There is no hopeless case in Jesus Christ. But you have this divine power that transcends human capacity to destroy and seize every argument, every negative and intrusive thoughts in your mind, to say that this mind is already the mind of Jesus Christ and you don't have the authority to stay here. Get out. Because if you will stay in that limited mindset, you will never win.